So what I thought we'd do is just a bit of fun today, just for something a bit different. So I'm flying to one of my favourite places in the world this morning, and really excited because I go to this place 3 or 4 times a year, but it's somewhere I've never really featured on the channel before, so I'm hoping to get some good video while we're there as well. So before you get too excited, no cash prizes, I have to confess, but what I'm going to do is just drop some clues in the video as we go and see if you can guess where I'm going. Like I say, it's just for fun, no cash prizes. So we're going to go straight through the F-wing now, straight to have some breakfast, and then we'll get on board the plane. So I'll see you very soon. This flight predominantly operates from Gatwick, but I was moved here as part of the current situation. So British Airways moved the flight from Gatwick to operate from here at Heathrow, which is absolutely fine. Not that there's anything wrong with Gatwick, of course, I just prefer the lounge here. So that's your first clue. After a quick breakfast in the F Lounge, I head to Plaza Premium. It's a while since I've been in, and the views are excellent as the sun rises over Heathrow. Today it's a bus ride to our awaiting Airbus A320, and I'm pleased to say the sun is shining. It's going to be a great day for flying.
When we get airborne, a rather long 4 hours and 15 minutes.
Once airborne, it's a stunning morning for a flight to wait, did I just give the game away? Maybe not.
It's already 22 degrees centigrade.
My friend and channel supporter Neil Turner recently looked at Ryanair versus British Airways. I'll pop a link to that above. I'm wondering, ladies and gents, if my latest Patreon supporter, James Wake, has guessed. I know he'll be watching. James, do you know where I'm going? Joshua Bedell, Joanne Lee, chaps, have either of you guessed yet? Comments below. That's right, it's a huge thanks to all of my Patreon supporters who really help me bring these videos week in, week out. Thanks a million, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first officer, just to give you a quick update on progress of the flight. We've started our descent now on the way into. We have about 70 miles left to go, and it's going to take us just over 15 minutes really, landing just before 25 miles an hour. Latest weather? Well, as you see at the window at the moment, really, just a little bit of cloud around and quite a brisk easterly breeze. Probably tell looking out the window on our left-hand side. We're going to turn left very shortly, go between La Gomera, another left turn, and land into the direction. Well, that's it from me. I'll leave you in peace, and if anything changes, I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Check, please. Thank you.
Sign as we landed, I'd forgotten about that. But just in case, for any reason, you didn't guess where I am, or you didn't clock the sign, or you didn't clock any of the clues. So I've actually landed in Gran Canaria. No, I'm not in Gran Canaria. I'm joking. I'm in Tenerife. It is one of my favourite places in the whole world. I do normally come down here 3 or 4 times a year, and I've never featured it on the channel before because to me it's just one of those places I visit quite often. But because of everything going on at the moment, of course, the trip's been rearranged so many times, and this is the 3rd time British Airways rearranged this trip. But never mind, I'm here now. So hopefully you enjoyed our little fun trip down here this morning. Like I say, no cash prizes on offer. But thanks for joining me. As always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe because it does help. And I just need to go and find the hire car now. So, 2308 Vauxhall Corsa, and I think this is my wheels for the next few days. 2308, excellent. Splendid and tremendous. Let's move that out of the way so we don't do any damage to it. There we go. Just pop the case in. Take the goodie bag, put that on the back seat. Right, so there we go. Just going to head up to the hotel now. I've got my Corsa, we're all ready to go, fueled up, aircon's on. It's a fabulous day down here, I must say. I was expecting that, so that's good. So staying at one of my favourite hotels on the whole island, the Gran Melia Palacio de Azora, which is a superb hotel. So I'm going to get some really good footage of that next few days, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me this morning. It was just a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, flying down here of course. So yeah, see you next time. Bye for now.